One of the biggest things in trig that you will see, and we're going to start talking about, is how to draw an angle, some of the vocab for angles. So we are going to talk about just angles in general. So let's define some vocabulary first. The standard position of an angle has its vertex at the origin and its initial side on the positive x-axis. So our initial side is going to be over on that axis there. The initial side is the starting ray of the angle, so the beginning part as we start to draw it. The terminal side is the ending ray of the angle. If you think about any angle, you have to have two different sides. So the angle can either be drawn that way or this way. So initial side is the starting ray, the terminal side is the ending ray. Now you can see I just drew that two different ways. A positive angle is measured counterclockwise from the initial side. So here's the initial side and we're going counterclockwise. So this is a positive angle, whereas a negative angle is measured clockwise. So if here's my initial side, I'm going to go clockwise and I'm going to have a negative angle going that way. And one last word, coterminal angles. That happens when two angles in standard position share the same terminal side. So let's go up to our picture and I'll draw one for you. So if I had starting initial side and let's say this was my angle here, I can have a coterminal angle. Best example would be if I went all the way around in one full circle and then came back and I had ended up at that same side. So it's basically a full circle in addition to the angle that you have.